Hey, what's up guys, iDiscoverTech here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you a quick simple way on how to update the software of your AirPods 2s, AirPods 3s, and AirPods Pro clones. This update is going to allow you to connect your AirPods to your iOS device as genuine AirPods from Apple. This is going to be the Dani version 4.9 Tigerbuilder. It uses the Tigerbuilder motherboard and the Aroha 1562AE chipset. This is going to be the SAM version 4.9 Tigerbuilder that I've recently reviewed on the channel. Basically, both of these are very similar products. Pretty much the same thing, they use the same chipset and motherboard. This is going to be the AirPods 3's V1e if you have the Dani V1e or the Sam V1e, or basically if you bought it from any other sellers, you will be able to update the software. And finally, this is going to be the V3M if you have the V3e AirPods 2s, or if you have decided to purchase the V3U, you will also be able to update the software of all of these clones. Now the update process is basically identical on all of these clones because they use the same exact motherboard. What you will need is an Android device, and you will have to download an app called CloudCC. I'll drop a link down in the description where you guys can check this out. And just to quickly show you guys what happens if you connect a device that is non-compatible with iOS 16, if you do open up the lid and tap connect, once you connect this to your device, you're gonna see that they're not going to show as originals. So the first time you're going to connect to iOS 16, the first thing you'll see is this little pop-up that says that it cannot verify your AirPods, and that it's possible that these AirPods right here are not genuinely from Apple. So by updating the software, you can basically bypass this pop-up and you will have all the functions, including spatial audio. So all you have to do is simply connect your AirPods to your Android device and then open the CloudCC app right there. For those who have not purchased any AirPods yet but who are deciding to purchase AirPods right now, the sellers should have already updated the software. But if you have purchased a Tigerbuilder product that doesn't work with iOS 16, you can basically follow this quick tutorial on how to update the software. Once you're in the app, as you can see, we've got the product connected already. If it is not connected, all you have to do is simply tap right here and then choose the device that you want to connect. The app version that I'm using currently is the version 1.1.8. So the next thing you'll do is simply tap on earbuds version, then tap right here. It is basically going to show the information of your product right there, the current version installed from the factory, and this pop-up will come up. What you're going to do is simply tap on download for the new update, and then as you can see, it's currently downloading the files. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the latest version available, which is version 130.1.23.200 versus the one they currently have installed on the device is 130.2.1.70. Now before updating the AirPods, make sure to follow these instructions. Make sure that the device is indeed connected to your Android device. Next thing you'll do is to remove the earbuds from the case, and also ensure that you have at least 20% battery life on both of these earbuds, because if it's under 20%, then the battery could basically discharge while updating and you might actually fail the update. In this case, if it does fail the update, the AirPods might stop working permanently. So the last thing to do to finish the update, which is very quick, all you have to do is simply tap on update firmware, and then we'll have the update in progress. As you can see, it goes extremely quick. The whole update process takes approximately 1 to 2 minutes. So once this pop-up message comes out, firmware failure to succeed, please continue to upgrade the file system. All you're gonna do is tap update file system once again, and then we'll have this percentage going up, this time extremely quickly. Now, if you're going to be updating the version 4.9 Tigerbuilder, which I have already updated, it might not ask you to tap it twice. Instead, it's going to update the software once without asking to tap the update file system for the second time. So when this pop-up comes out, which says for to succeed, put your earbuds back in the case, close the lid until the light goes out. So that's what we're going to do. Open up the case, then we're going to put the earbuds back in there, then close the lid. And then the light is going to go out, and that's pretty much it. That's how you update the software of your V3M. Now the update process is very similar on the version 4.9 Tigerbuilder. You might not need to tap the update file system twice. Instead, you only have to do it once. And if you tap on this button right here, we can see the information of the actual earbuds right now. As you can tell, it has currently been updated to the latest version, and even tells you that it is currently at the latest version available for this actual product. So if we connect once again to iOS 16, might open up the lid, we will have the pop-up animation, tap on the connect. hold the pairing button in the back until it says connecting. Now this time it should show as genuine AirPods instead of that pop-up that tells you that it cannot connect as the real ones. And as you can see, we got the battery percentage of the AirPods and of the case. And if you go to Bluetooth settings, even by opening settings, the first thing we'll see is your AirPods right there. Brings you directly to the Bluetooth settings, and as you can tell, we have the same settings right there with the name, the battery of the charging case, and also the earbuds. And we'll even have the AirPods 2's logo right there instead of the Bluetooth logo. So basically, this is how to update the software of your AirPods 2's, AirPods Pros, and AirPods 3 clones. Works on any Tigerbuilder products. If you guys got any questions, comment below in this video. Other than that, if you're planning to purchase an AirPods right now, they should be already updated by the seller. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys very soon. Peace out.